Here's how to create a happy Halloween video. Step 1. Create a freeze frame effect. Import your footage into InShot. Trim them to keep the parts that you want. Freeze a frame that you like. Add a flash effect at the start of each freeze frame. Then add filters for contrast. Step 2. Add effects and Halloween stickers. Press filter to add a spooky ghost effect. Then add Halloween stickers to liven up your video. And there you have it, a cute video of your best Halloween moments. Here's wishing you a happy Halloween from all of us at InShot. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our social.